Very good morning to all of you. Welcome back again. In previous video, we have seen the frequently used zoology terminology words, especially genetics. In this video, we are going to see what are the reasons for mental success, what are the 7 characters of pea plant which are selected by the Mendel for his experimentation, and what are the advantages of selecting pea plant for his experimentation. So these are the small topics we will do in this video. What are the advantages? Of selecting pea plant? These pea plants generally pure breedings, pure pea breedings are available. Then its flowers are in a way is helpful to self pollination only. Flowers remains close that undergo only for self pollination. Cross pollination may not be difficulty. Then it is an annual plant having a very short life. Grow fastly. It will give results within 3 months. So within 3 months of period, it can able to give the result. Then we can easily cultivate all these pea plants in open grounds. No much more attention and no much more care is not needed for them for the cultivation purpose. But at the time of pollination only, we have to put some attention. So they can able to grow in open ground. Then no much more care is here needed. Only a little bit care may be needed at the time of pollination only. It is a monoecious plant with bisexual flowers. The structure of the flower favor to self-pollination only. So these 2 characters are the responsible for the establishment of to develop pure lines in them. And one more important character seen in the pea plant is they shows clear cut, easily detectable, contrasting characters. I think some plants are with a tall nature, some plants are with a dwarf nature. The color, flower of the color, the flowers color, some may be red, some may be white, like that. Contrasting characters always will be clearly, easily detectable. So, and one more thing here is, important unique characters regarding the pea plant. Here is 14 chromosomes are present in it. Okay. Then what are the 7 characters which are selected by the Mendel in pea plant? Now we will see about it. The 7 characters. Initially, Mendel took 34 characters, 34 varieties. Later, reduced to 22 varieties. And finally, restricted to 7 characters only. Okay. Now we will see what are the 7 characters which are exhibited by the Pisum sativum a garden pea plant. Number 1, height of the plant, height of the stem. Here is, this is a character, this is a character. Every character will have its own alternative forms. We simply call them as a trait. So here, a dominant trait and a recessive trait. For height of the stem, the dominant one here is tall. Here is a dwarf. Then color of the flower. Here is violet. Here is white. Then position of the flower. Here it may be axial, it may be terminal. Terminal one is for recessive, axial one is for dominant. Then pod shape, shape of the pod. Here always it will be inflated. Here is constricted. Then pod color. Here is green. Here is yellow. Then nature of the seed. It may be round. It may be wrinkled. Now, color of cotyledon. It is always yellow. Here is green. These traits are said to be dominant. These traits are said to be recessive. Okay. Tall always dominant to dwarf. Tall always dominant to dwarf. Violet, that is the color of the flower, always will be dominant to white colored flower, like this. So, initially, all these 7 characters, its responsible genes are maybe present on 7 different chromosomes. But recently, it was believed that Their respective genes are located not all the 7 chromosomes. They are limited. They are present only on 4 chromosomes only. We will see them later. Now, reasons for Mendel success. Reasons for Mendel success. What are the reasons? What are the reasons for Mendel success? Here, number one, availability. Number one character here is availability of pure varieties. If pure varieties are not selected by the Mendel, he could not get a correct result. Then they are in generally self-pollinated ones. Then cross-fertilization or pollination may not be difficulty, may not be much more difficulty. May not be much more difficulty. And artificial pollination always almost success. Artificial pollination always almost success. And other one here is the developed F1 hybrids are also always be fertile in nature. So F1 hybrid always fertile in nature. The characters which were selected by the Mendel are already we learn about all of them, but here the genes for 7 characters are present on different chromosomes. They are not present on a single chromosome. The genes for 7 characters which were selected by the Mendel for his experimentation are located on different chromosomes but not on a single chromosome. Initially, it was believed that there will be 7 different chromosomes may be there for 7 characters, but nowadays it was believed that only all these 7 characters responsible genes are present on 4 chromosomes only. What are the 4 chromosomes? We will see now. So 1, 4, 5, and 7. These are the different chromosomes are having all these 7 characters selected by the Mendel for his hybridization experiment. First chromosome will have the 2 characters. What are the 2 characters? Flower color, seed color. So these flower color and seed color characters are present on first chromosome, means its respective genes are located on the first chromosome. Then on the 4th chromosome there are 3 characters. What are the 3 characters? Height of the plant, height of stem, inflorescence, and pod shape. Then on 5th chromosome only one character is there. Its character is for color. Now, on the 7th chromosome, only one character is there, that is seed shape. So these are the 7 characters which are located on 4 chromosomes only. They are first chromosome, 4th chromosome, 5th chromosome and 7th chromosome. But generally in the Pisum sativum there are 14 pairs of chromosomes are present in the Pisum sativum. Okay, so this is the information regarding which character is located on which chromosome and its respective gene is located on which chromosome. Then Mendel started his research work in the year 1856. Now from 1856 to 1863, nearly he spent his valuable time for 7 years to do his hybridization experiments. So nearly he conducted hybridization experiments for 7 years. 7 years conducted hybridization experiments. Then his research work was published in the year 1866 to 1867 in the Natural Society, Natural History of Society in Bonn. But he was died in the 1884 due to kidney related problem. But until 1900, his findings were not known by the scientific world. Until 1900, his research works, findings were not reached the scientific world, not known by the scientific world also, because a limited circulation may be for Natural History of Society, which is located in the Bonn. Okay, it is a general name. Then in the 1900, there are Hugo de Vries, Carens, Shermark. Hugo de Vries of Holland, Carens of Austria, Carens of Germany, Shermark of Austria. These 3 eminent botanists rediscover the Mendelian principles. Hence, these 3 scientists collectively together, we are calling them as a rediscoverers of Mendelian principles or Mendelism. Okay, that is the story. Until the 1900, scientific world not known the results, experiments which were done by Mendel. So nearly up to 34 years, nobody knows the results of the Mendel. What kind of experiments which were done by the result, what will be the result, the thing is nothing known by the scientific world is until 34 years. Okay, and Mendel worked for teacher for 14 years. Mendel served as a teacher for 14 years. Okay, especially number of chromosomes in the Pisum sativum are also 14 pairs. You simply please observe here. He conducted hybridization experiments for 7 years, and finally Mendel selected 7 pairs of contrasting characters for his experimentation. So 7, 7. This is for contrasting characters. This is for number of years he did hybridization experiments. And 34 years his findings were not known by the scientific world. At the same time, initially he took nearly 34 characters. Okay, initially he took 34 varieties for his experimentation. Later it was decreased to 22 and finally he selected 7. So again 34. This 34 is now known as a time period, 34 years of time until the 1900. His findings were not known by the scientific world. This 34 is for initially he took 34 varieties for his experimentation. Now he served as a 14. He served as a teacher for 14 years. At the same time, the number of chromosomes present in the Pisum sativum are 14 pairs. So I think these things are maybe related to one to other. Anyhow, we completed the reasons for Mendel success. What are the reasons for Mendel success in this video? In the coming next video, we will go through monohybrid experiment and dihybrid experiment which were done by the Mendel. We will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.